I am going to explain 3 steps on how to solve linear equations. The first step is we're going to clear decimals and fractions. So I have the problem 3/4 times x minus 2 minus 3 equals 3. I am then going to clear the fraction. So I'm going to distribute 3/4, and then I'm going to multiply the denominator number 4. And I'm left with 3x minus 6 minus 12 equals 12. So then I move on to step 2. Step 2 is we simplify each side of the equation by removing the parentheses and combining like terms. I'm going to combine the like terms, negative 6 and negative 12. So I'm left with 3x minus 18 equals 12. Then I move on to step 3, which is isolating the variable. So I'm beginning with 3x minus 18 equals 12. So I am then going to add 18 to both sides, and I get 3x equals 30. And I'm going to divide by 3 from both sides, and I should get x equals 10.